Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Williams here to talk to you about math. I love math, and I'm so excited to share that love of math with you. Okay, so today we're focusing on adding three whole numbers, okay? And in math, we have different terms that we use that we call things, okay? So in math, we have something called associative property of addition, and it's just a big fancy word that basically means to join or group. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, and we know sometimes in math when we're adding, we might use a number line in the classroom. So we might count by jumping down the number line or tracing down the number line on a sheet of paper, or even by walking, counting our steps. Okay, but today we're going to look at addition in a little bit different way. Okay, so we're going to use a word problem. And I thought, oh, let's pick a word problem that has to do with Kentucky and what we see around us, okay? So I was driving by horse farms in Simpsonville, Kentucky, okay? And I noticed they had different horses in different places. So they had three sets of different horses, okay? I'm going to show you the sets that I'm thinking of this problem that we're going to solve together. Okay, so I wanted to know how many horses I had seen all together. Okay, so I had to take note of what I had observed. Okay, so I had observed that they had 4 horses in stalls, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they had 3 gray horses in a field. And gray horses are my absolute favorite. When I go to Churchill Downs, I love to look at the gray horses. And then they had 7 red and blue, which probably would be in a Disney movie. But anyhow, these are the counters I happen to have at my house. So we have 1, 2, 3 blue, and 1, 2, 3, 4 red. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. But when we're working with associative property, what it means is we can join the numbers together in any order. It does not matter. Okay. So we're going to look at these numbers, and I'm going to show you how that works. Okay. So to make it easier, I'm going to take the numbers off of here and just use my sticky notes so I can show you how to figure out this math problem. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I had 4 brown horses in stalls. I had 3 gray horses in a field, and I had 7 red and blue horses in a pasture. Okay, so we might look at this and we might know what 4 plus 3 equals, or we might not remember. We might need to, draw some manipulatives out to count it up, and that's okay. So maybe you need to draw them out and make, your 4 there and your 3 here, okay, to figure out that 4 plus 3 equals 7. So we got 7 there. And then this is 7 here too. So if we know our doubles, we know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. Okay, and that checks out. Okay, that does check out. All right, and then we have up here, we could do a different way. Maybe we know that 7 plus 3, maybe we know that 7 plus 3, maybe we know that equals 10. Okay, maybe we automatically know that, and then we just add the 4 on. So we got then 10 plus 4 would give us the 14. So you can add these in different orders and get the same number. That's what associative property means, okay? So on here we have 4 plus 3 equals 7. Notice that kind of pattern there, okay? But in this case, we want to add 4 plus 3 to get 7, and then have 7 plus 7, and that's going to give us the 14, okay? So 10 plus 4 gives us 14. That checks out. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then we can add the 4 over here, and that gets us the 14, okay? So there's more than one way to look at this particular problem and to use associative property. Anyhow, this is what we're going to be focusing on this week, and I look forward to exploring it with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.